Hey everybody. So I don't know if you can actually tell from the wind blowing, but if you look at the end of my flag here, you will notice that the end is torn. Now I bought this flag not even 6 months ago because the other one was worn and ripped up because it gets very windy here. Well, guess what I learned recently? That they actually make high wind flags, flags that are made to withstand heavy winds and weather and rain. I had no idea, so I feel kind of like an idiot. But again, those of you that didn't know, and you might have a flag and you're having this issue, just something to be aware of. Take care.